Do you want to learn how to quilt, but you don't have any quilty relatives and you don't want to pay for an expensive quilting course? Congratulations, it's your lucky day, because I am a random quilter on the internet that wants to help you get started on your very first quilt, and I'm going to do it for free. I've been quilting for many years, and I would never call myself a quilting expert because there's always more to learn, but I would consider myself a quilting enthusiast. So I've designed this free quilting course for beginners. It will be split up into several short videos so you can skip around based on your skill level. The goal of this class is to learn all the fundamentals of quilting that often get skipped or are left unspoken. We'll talk about supplies, safety, best practices, the 1/4 inch seam allowance, and much more. After we've learned the quilting theory, we'll put it into practice when we complete not 1, but 2 quilts. Both patterns are completely free. We'll go over each step of completing a quilt along with some variations here and there so you can make the quilt your own. I designed the first quilt to gently ease you into quilting. I wanted it to be as simple as possible. I call it the first waffle because it's not going to be perfect, but you have to warm up the waffle iron. The second quilt is from a talented quilter's blog, and in my opinion, it's much cuter. It uses large blocks and it ups the difficulty a little bit. I've never taught a course of any kind, so please be patient with me. If I skip things or forget things, or if you're confused, please let me know in the comment section so I can try to clear things up. So if you're new to quilting or an aspiring quilter, please come join me in this low-pressure, free Quilting for Beginners course. If you're an advanced quilter, please join us and share your wisdom and anecdotes in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe to my channel or my Quilting for Beginners playlist so you don't miss a video.